In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add and upload your digital files on Etsy to sell them. So I've already got this Etsy listing ready to go. It is a digital file as a quilt retreat planning guide. This is a printable organizer for quilters. It looks like this. I'll show you this example. And so I've got my photos here, and then I need to add my digital file. So you need to have this in some kind of form: PDF, JPEG, PNG, SVG, something like this. If you have multiple files, maybe you're putting them into a compressed folder. Or if your files are very large, you may need to put them into something like a Dropbox folder or something your customers can access, and then create a PDF file with clickable links to that Dropbox folder, and then the PDF becomes this digital file, because Etsy does require you to have a digital file to sell a digital product, so you want to have some kind of placeholder here. Even if you do custom digital work and the placeholder is just a how to get started download PDF file, that's perfectly fine. Or if you're selling Canva templates, Notion templates, things like that, you want to make a digital PDF that just tells people how to access your templates. So all you need to do is click Add File. I'm going to search for mine. Here it is, the Ultimate Retreat Planning Guide. It is a PDF. And I hit upload, and that is all that I need to do. You can actually add up to 5 files here, so if you had more than one thing, that's all you need to do, and then hit publish. And in this case, I've actually copied a listing for this example, so that's why it says publish copy, but normally you would just hit publish and you will be ready to go. I hope that you found this quick tutorial helpful. If you want to learn more about selling printable products, digital products, or how to be successful on Etsy, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel.